Later, I'm going to have a family photo shoot with the kids, so it's a very important client for me, and I will get very close to the family and the kids. So I decided to do a test for this one. You can get it in pharmacy, 7-Eleven, or like Watsons, all this to get this quick test. It is a PanBio COVID-19 anti-agent self test. So let's see what is inside this one. Its selling price is quite acceptable to me. It's about $12 plus, right? I got it in 7-Eleven. And then let's see what is inside. The very first thing you get is like this swab thing, like this, and two instruction. And this one is in English, and then this is French. Oh my god, that's a lot. And this is Dutch, sorry. So let's see the instruction first at the back. So wash your hand before you started this test. Then okay, so inside we'll have a bag, and then this is a tube, if I'm not wrong. What is this? I'm not sure what is this. Later we'll open it up. And this is a tube and a tube cap, and this is buffer bottles. So that's all, everything. And then this one is the case also for you to put the tube like this. So the first thing I need to do is keep this one called the buffer bottle. Open it. Then you drip into this. Let me see. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Got this done. And then slot inside here. And then, sorry. B, you have to open this to hold nicely and go into the nose, dip for 2 cm deep, and then rotate it at least 5 times. Then after that, you put inside and you also swing with like 5 times. Then you pinch the part of the swab, the cotton part, if I'm not wrong. Then you bend the stick. There's a catch. You can bend it to half, and you just put inside and leave it for how long? Oh, I know what is this. This is what I call test device. Okay. So you have to wait for 15 minutes. Then you drip the solution inside. Okay, I need a timer then. Timer is here. Timer, very good. Then you see the result. Okay, I have to take this first. So we have to be very careful. Just hold on this part. And so let's go in now. About 2 cm. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. And then you go inside. And then also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you pinch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you break this. And you screw the cap. After that, you have to drip this into this device. I got that wrong, but I think everyone do the same, right? If you didn't read the instruction clear. Okay, so it looks like this. 5 drips, yeah. Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And start my timer. After that, this bag for you. Okay, screw the bags first. You have to put everything inside and then throw into the rubbish bin. Okay, so let's wait for my result. After you drip it, you really can see something going up all the way, red color. Just wait for a few more minutes, then you'll see the result. Actually, I can see a line here already. It's a C. So, you look at this, yeah. That means the result is error, right? You find the window blah 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 incorrectly. Okay. So if your result is positive, it should show like this. And the result is negative, it show one line. So currently I have one line over here. Should be safe lah, I guess. Another 20 seconds to go. I can see that let me show you. I'm not sure you can see it clear. It's shown that I am negative or free from COVID. So this test is quite easy compared to the previous brand I have made. Hang on a second. Okay, confirm I'm safe. Stop. So it's compared to the previous brand I made, I think both equally easy to operate, but it's just like for me, it's just now a little bit blur, like didn't follow the step clearly, but still doing well. And yeah, this device looks big enough. It's shown the result very clear compared to the strap. So it's up to you. Either brand I think is fine to me, and just have to make sure that put all this thing inside to this wrapping bag and dispose it away nicely. I think for this brand, they provide this to dispose the test kit is quite cool, quite nice. And then the instruction, I would say it is very clear, very easy to read because it's shown in lots of pictures, so you roughly know how to operate the test, and it also give you a sample how the result like is supposed to look like. So yeah, that's the test kit to share with you that what you expect from the test kit, and I hope you like the video. You may choose which brand that's comfortable to you. Okay, goodbye.